Hello again, fourth graders, and welcome to session 11 of our Writer's Workshop. Today we get to do something extra special, and that is to flash draft a literary essay. Fourth graders, for the past few days, you've worked to grow more complicated ideas about your texts. Today I want to tell you about one more challenge that you will face as you get older. There will be times when you are asked to write an entire essay from start to finish in a very short amount of time. That's going to happen, for example, as you continue through middle school, high school, and even college. This is unlike the essay you just wrote, but now you know more about essay writing. Today I want to teach you that to whip up a full-blown, well-developed essay, it is important to remember that if you don't have a dream, a vision, of what that essay should be, you'll never create the essay you imagine. You need to first create an image in your mind of how the whole essay will go. To flash draft your essay, begin by writing the title, the author, and your thesis. Once you have written your thesis, you know how to start a body paragraph. The topic sentence for the body paragraph will come right from your thesis. Make sure you use our chart called How to Write a Literary Essay to help you. And don't forget, we have a chart with prompts to help us push our thinking. Use those prompts to talk more about each reason. Writers, for the share time today, be sure to use the anchor chart and your notes from Label to make a plan for the revision work you will need to do to move this essay from good to great. Use all the charts that we have. So fourth graders, not a whole lot of explaining here today for you. Going to let you work. This is going to take some time. Today again we are flash drafting a literary essay. So you need to make a box and bullets, and from there go ahead and write and create your essay. This is all in one sitting. So today push yourself. It's something that you can do, but you really need to push yourself to do this. Create your box and bullets, and then write your essay. This is a run through right through today from start to finish. Good luck, and please get started.